Are you looking for the best extra virgin olive oils? Extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO, is both a flavor amplifier and a functional pantry staple, influencing everything from a quick sauté to a finished drizzle. With dozens of olive oil variants on the market, discerning quality, origin, processing method, and acidity matters for flavor, nutrition, and safety. In this comparison,
Product number 1, Pompeian Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Pompeian's 68-ounce dual pack pairs a smooth EVOO with a robust EVOO, aiming to cover multiple culinary tasks from delicate sautés to bold finishing. The packaging emphasizes 100% farmer-crafted heritage and NAAOA certification, positioning it as a reliable, everyday EVOO option with broad dietary compatibility, gluten-free, non-allergenic, non-GMO. The stated shelf life is 270 days, which aligns with typical large format oils that are used steadily in households that cook daily. In practice, the smooth variety offers a light, delicate profile conducive to drizzle-worthy dressings and pan sauces where subtle fruitiness is desired. The robust option provides fuller-bodied fruitiness and peppery notes, suitable for searing and vegetables that benefit from a more pronounced olive character. The dual-pack format is beneficial for households seeking versatility without juggling multiple single-origin bottles, though it can complicate storage if counter space is limited. Consider shelf life management. After opening, best use guidance should be followed to preserve peak aroma and polyphenol content, especially for the robust bottle where oxidation can mute the finish over time.
Product number 2, Mina Moroccan Olive Oil. Mina presents a single-origin Moroccan EVOO in a 68-ounce format, highlighting polyphenol richness and a remarkably low acidity. The oil is cold extracted and traceable to a single estate, which supports consistency and authenticity across batches. The 2-liter packaging is substantial for households that cook with EVOO daily, offering polyphenol benefits that align with health-conscious consumers who value flavor clarity and a lighter profile suitable for a wide range of dishes. In use, Mina's oil is described as light and smooth, making it a versatile all-purpose oil from dressings to sautéing, without overpowering delicate ingredients. The polyphenol emphasis suggests stronger antioxidant potential and a more vibrant, peppery finish on the palate at times, depending on harvest and batch. The single-origin cold extraction approach supports traceability and freshness, but potential buyers should consider regional flavor preferences. Moroccan EVOO often carries fruit-forward notes with nuanced green almond or artichoke hints, which may differ from Italian or Spanish EVOOs in finishing oiliness and bite.
Product number 3, Kirkland Signature Organic. Kirkland's organic cold-pressed EVOO comes in a 2-liter bottle, appealing to budget-conscious shoppers seeking organic certification without sacrificing pantry volume. The product designation emphasizes organic quality and practical packaging, aligning with mainstream supermarket shoppers who want a reliable, no-frills EVOO for everyday cooking. In practice, this oil should perform well for standard sautéing, roasting, and finishing tasks where the flavor profile need not be dominant. The cold-pressed method supports better retention of aroma compounds and monounsaturated fats relative to heat-exposed oils, but the lack of additional flavor claims, example, polyphenol content or regional specificity, means this EVOO may read as a solid workhorse oil rather than a flavor-forward choice. Consumers should be mindful of storage and freshness. Organic brands can be sensitive to heat and light exposure, and large formats require timely rotation.
Product number 4, Sperlonga Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Sperlonga positions this oil as a premium Italian EVOO, delivered in a 3-liter tin, designed for gourmet and serious home cooks who value polyphenol richness and oleocanthal content. The tin packaging helps with shelf stability and protection from light, a practical choice for larger households or food service settings. The branding highlights multiple golden awards from IOOC, reinforcing a high credibility signal for quality and consistency in Italian EVOO production. In use, Sperlonga's oil is expected to deliver a robust, expressive finish with a noticeable peppery bite and high polyphenol antioxidant profile. This makes it ideal for finishing dressings, drizzling over grilled vegetables, and finishing pastas where bold olive flavor is desirable. However, as a large format premium oil, it may be less ideal for those who prioritize subtlety in everyday cooking, or who are sensitive to intense olive notes. Proper storage in a cool, dark place will help preserve its polyphenol integrity over time.
Product number 5. Mina Moroccan Olive Oil. This Mina SKU provides a smaller 1-liter option with the same single-origin, polyphenol-rich profile highlighted in the 68-ounce version. It targets consumers who want a premium Moroccan EVO, but in a more compact bottle for single-occupant households, or for those who wish to sample before committing to larger formats. The key selling points, low acidity, cold extraction, and high polyphenols, remain consistent with its larger counterpart. In practice, the 1-liter Mina offers the same light, smooth flavor with the potential for a bright, peppery finish that is characteristic of high polyphenol Moroccan oils. Users may notice subtle differences between batches due to harvest timing, yet the single origin guarantee supports trust and traceability. For cooks, this size is ideal for tasting, recipe testing, or weekly meal planning where a premium EVO is desired without long-term storage commitment.